To get a better result with minimal cost of feeding your poultry, stick to this particular channel. You are highly welcome.
Hi, how to formulate high energy poultry and livestock feed at a lower cost. Number one, use locally sourced grains. Incorporate grains like maize, sorghum, and millet as the base of your feed.
It is to chicken and livestock. You can see them rushing it.
These grains are energy dense and can be sourced locally at a much lower cost than processed feeds. Add cassava or cassava peel as an energy booster. Cassava roots are an excellent source of carbohydrates, including the cassava peel itself, which is a waste. They can be dried and ground into meal for inclusion in poultry feed. It is much cheaper than using conventional grains and provide a similar energy boost other products would have given you, but those products are very costly. Utilize rice bran and wheat bran. Rice bran and wheat bran are byproducts of grain processing and are both energy rich and affordable. These ingredients help lower feed costs while maintaining high energy level in your poultry diet. Incorporate palm kernel cake. Palm kernel cake meal is a byproduct of oil extraction and provide high energy content along with some proteins. It is cost effective and widely available in many regions, making it a great addition to your poultry feed.
There are two major types of palm kernel cake. We call it palm kernel cake, PKC. We have the full fat and the oiled type. What you are watching here is the full fat palm kernel cake. It has a lot of cake and quality fat that boosts the weight of your broiler within a short period of time without even adding the commercial feed. This is the type of PKC that pig farmers mostly use to fatten their pigs. So if you feed your broilers, most especially when you are getting close to the market with this type of palm kernel cake, you are going to get a better result than this broiler you saw at the beginning of this particular video that weighs 6 kg in 8 weeks. Please, if you love this video, give it a thumb up right now. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that anytime an interesting topic like this is updated or released or uploaded, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. And make sure you share this video to reach more farmers.
Use fats and oils as energy source. Adding vegetable oil is very important even in feed and animal feed production. They are source of fat to the feed, which increases the energy density. A small amount of oil can provide a significant boost in energy content without raising the overall cost too much. Include groundnut cake. Groundnut cake is a protein and energy rich product. of groundnut oil extraction. It is a byproduct anyway. It's affordable and locally available, and at the same time provide a balanced energy to protein ration in your poultry feed. Incorporate sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes can be cooked, dried, and ground to be mixed with feed. This root vegetable is rich in carbohydrates and can significantly boost the energy content of your poultry feed at a very reduced price. Add sorghum as a substitute for maize, or use cassava pea as a substitute for maize, or even cassava root. Sorghum, cassava pea, and others are very great alternatives to maize when maize prices are very high. It is rich in carbohydrates and provides almost the same energy content as maize, but is often more affordable. Utilize Brewers dry grain. Brewers dry grains are an excellent source of energy and can be obtained at low cost from Brewers. They contain residual carbohydrates and protein, making them a cost-effective feed ingredient. Formulate with barley and molasses. Barley is another carbohydrate-rich grain that is cheaper in some areas than maize. Mix it with molasses, which is a byproduct of sugar processing, boosts the feed's energy content while keeping the cost very low. If you're a poultry farmer and you're looking for means of bringing down the cost of your poultry feed, all these tips should be used effectively. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you keep updated on more tips and strategies for poultry farming. Please give this video a thumb up, like, share, and comment. Let this video reach other farmers. Leave a comment below if you have any other cost-saving tips for formulating high-energy feed. Formulating high-energy protein feed doesn't have to break the bank. By using locally available grains, byproducts, and alternative ingredients, you can create an energy-rich feed that supports the growth and productivity of your poultry, while significantly reducing costs. With some creativity and resourcefulness, you can boost your profit while maintaining the quality of your poultry feed.
If you have found this video helpful to your business as a poultry farmer, give it a thumb up, like it, share it. And if you want me to develop a formula for you, to show you the formula I use to produce this particular chicken you are seeing here, drop it on the comment section. That is, you need the secret and the feed formula I used. Drop it on the comment section. I will do that for you.
Thank you immensely for watching this video to this extent. And I remain a humble servant till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Please don't go far. You are blessed. Bye for now.
This is a male broiler.